Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of composite decking with our 1000 PC's Hidden Fasteners Composite-Deck, designed to give your deck a clean, fastener-free appearance. These hidden fasteners are crafted from high-density nylon material, ensuring strength and corrosion resistance, and are paired with stainless steel screws for secure installation, allowing your deck to stand the test of time. With the ability to cover up to 480 square feet depending on joist spacing, these fasteners are perfect for any deck size, providing uniform clearance and promoting air circulation and drainage. For optimal installation, start by positioning the fasteners against the first deck pair in the center of each joist, and remember to tighten them only after placing the second row, ensuring a seamless and efficient setup. Our fasteners are produced under strict quality control to guarantee uniformity, and we're here to offer hassle-free customer service should you have any questions. So, if you're ready to elevate your decking experience with ease and peace of mind, add these hidden fasteners to your project today and enjoy a flawless finish. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.